Oh my goodness, I am already happy. Hey you guys, welcome back. So I am super excited by today's video. I've been waiting and waiting to get my hands on this giant boxyluxe boxycharm box. Is that how you say it? Boxyluxe boxycharm box. Anyways, this is the boxyluxe box, which is an upgraded box. If you already get the boxycharm box, then you were able to upgrade it. So you would pay for your regular box of $21, and then to upgrade it, it was $28.99. So you're pretty much paying a total of like $50 to get this box, which is said to be valued at over $250, close to like $300 or something like that. And so I was like, yes, I want to try this. I got an email in the past asking me about one of the products, and I can choose, I think it was like an flat iron or some kind of eyeshadow palette, and I picked the eyeshadow palette because I don't have a need for a flat iron. So I'm gonna quit running my mouth and get this open. This is my first boxyluxe boxycharm box. Say that like 20 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. All right, let's see. I've been waiting. Oh, this is so cute. Tis the, what does it? Oh, sun. Okay, now I get it. Tis the, see now I look illiterate on camera. It says tis the sea sun, S-E-A-S-U-N. I was like, that don't say season, it's missing the, okay. Yeah, so tis the sea sun boxyluxe box, and of course it tells you everything that's in this box and the prices, which I will let you know. Oh my goodness. So the first things that I'm seeing already off the top that I'm excited by is this container right here, which is Pretty Vulgar. I really like Pretty Vulgar products, and so for me to see this being the first thing in this box, I'm excited. So what it is, and the packaging is super cute. Look at that. It says Mad About It translucent setting powder. So I'm super excited by that. And let's see, I love the package. That is so cute. Oh, look at that. It comes with a little poof thing that you have. It has a little band on top. You can slide it on your finger and poof away. Yeah, so let me see. I want to open it because I just want to make sure it doesn't have a smell. I bought a setting powder recently that I showed in a different video, and it had a perfumey smell, and I hate it. So okay, this doesn't have a smell to it. It's really like no smell at all, and it is translucent, so I will definitely be able to work with that. And I'm just going to tell you the prices for this. Retails for $32. I couldn't find it. So this retails for $32, and this was the first item that I see. Then I see this, and I don't know. Oh, it feels like it's something in here. I don't know, but it's a cute little bag, and it says Glam AF. We all know what that means. So let's get this open so we can see what this is. Oh, I like that. It's like a little clutch, like a little wristlet. Oh, that is so cute. I'm definitely going to throw this in my purse. And what is on the inside, and it looks like it's by a company called Crimes of Beauty. Oh, what is this? I know it got a USB cord to it though, if I could get it out. Okay, so it has this little USB cord. Crimes of Beauty dual Android iPhone charger connector insert with plain metal side up face, not white strip down. So it tells you, so this is an emergency, and it says Crimes of Beauty. Oh, I need this. Anyways, you charge this up, you keep it in your purse. If your phone ever starts to die, you pull this out, and this is your emergency backup battery. Everybody needs one of these. I know I do. And it says Crimes of Beauty, so I am loving it. And I love that it's black and sleek, and it fits perfectly into this little bag. So far I am very happy about that. And this retails for $22 for, I don't know if it's just the bag and the thing inside, the charger, but $22. Okay, so moving on, I see underneath this crate there's some crate stuff in here. In the middle, oh my goodness, it is a Protege. Let me take that out. So by Suva Beauty, and it looks like that. Super cute little faces on the front. Let me see what the back says. Eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is pretty. It has, this side of it is a mirror. And here we are. It has some really pretty warm tone colors right here in this corner. And then some lighter shades over there. I think that is really, really pretty. I cannot wait to try this out. And then on the end, there's two, it looks like highlighters. One is more of a gold tone and the other one is more like a pink tone. So that is really cute. I'm excited by that. And this retails for, I am getting lost all over this paper because there's so many things. Suva Beauty. This retails for $34. It says versatile, warm, and cool toned palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmers. So that is really, really nice. I'm super excited to get that. I love getting eyeshadow palettes, and boxycharm is good for sending eyeshadow palettes. So, oh my god, there is like so much stuff still in this box. Oh my goodness. So the next thing I'm pulling out is this Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. Oh my goodness. Elemis is definitely a good product to have, and it says apply every morning to cleanse dry skin. And yes, so this I'm very, very happy by. What did I say? Happy by? I'm very happy with. And this retail, I told you it's pricey. This retails alone for $89. Oh my goodness. It says a potent cocktail of seaweeds has been blended with ginkgo biloba, rose, and mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. So this by itself pays for, if you bought this, this pays for this whole box. Because this box was pretty much $50. This retails for $89, and it's definitely worth it because Elemis is really, really nice products to use. Then I see this. I love the packaging already. Look at that. It looks like a gold bullet. And it says Grand Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. Ooh. It just has a regular wand on it. No perfumey smell, which I can't stand that. So this is nice. I love getting mascaras. This one, it retails for $25. It says get extreme length and volume while promoting healthier lashes with your new Grand Mascara. So this was also in here. Next, there is a Tartlets Shimmering Lip Paint, and this color is called Insta Famous. Let's see, I haven't checked out any of these colors that I know of. Oh yes, I have. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, you can't really tell. It's like a, ooh, it's like a pink with purple little specks in it. And I have on purple today. I should put this on, but I already have on lip gloss. Ooh, no smell to it. It just has a regular doe foot like applicator, but oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It kind of reminds me of one of my MAC lip glosses, like Oyster Girl, but has more purple to it. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm very, very happy with that. And that retailed for, and this is a glitter lip paint, it retails for $20. Next, I see a Spongel Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. And it's in this box right here. And it says all-in-one beauty treatment, benefits body wash. Dermatologist tested with built-in body wash for multiple luxurious showers. So I'm thinking it's one of those spongy. Yep. It's one of those sponge things that is infused with like your soap on. It's so cute. It's shaped like a little star. So it's infused with soap, so when you're washing yourself, you wash yourself with basically the sponge, and it has the soap in it already, so you can just clean yourself. And I like that it's shaped like a star because it's easy for you to grip your fingers around it and use it. And the good thing about these is you can only use these so many times, and then you need to toss it, and that's a good thing because you don't want to keep your sponge too long. But I have never used one by this company, so I'm very excited to try this out. And this retails for $20. I have 2 more items in here, and I'm saving the biggest thing that I see for last, even though this is big within itself. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get this open. Look at this complete box of brushes. All of these brushes by Luxe. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There is 8 brushes in here. How cool is that? Oh my goodness. And it comes in this cute little box, and it says a round top blender, tapered highlighting brush, pro precision, tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. This is so cute, and I love that it is like pink. It's like a pink and like a copper type color. Really, really nice. I know this has to be kind of pricey. These retail for $65. You guys, $65. And do I need to say it again? If you get BoxyCharm, you definitely want to go ahead and sign up for this box. So I'm going to drop the box and show you this last item right here. It says Violet Voss. Wait, I think this was what I chose. I think this is the one that I chose. Okay, so I'm thinking this is going to come in the regular BoxyCharm box, like your regular $21 box. I'm not too sure, don't quote me, but if I'm not mistaken, this is the one that I said I would pick over the what am I trying to say, the flat iron. So let me see what this costs, or how much this costs before I open it. So this retails for $45. It says indulge in 20 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades ranging in finish from creamy mattes to bold metallic and silky satins. It is vegan, what did it say? The vegan cruelty-free formula makes for smooth application and easy blending. So let me get this open. Okay, I can't get this out. I am struggling. I am literally struggling to get this out. I'm gonna have to tear this whole, I'm gonna have to just tear it up because I could not pull this out for nothing. Like literally, like this is like, oh my goodness, that was crazy. Okay. Okay, now that I got it open, it is, oh my goodness. So this side is a mirror. Let me take out the plastic. And would you look at all of those colors? That is so pretty. Look at all of those shades. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I love the names. It's Thanks a Latte, Toffee. How you doing? How you doing? One that's called On Fleek, Wine and Dine, Cranberry Splash, Teddy Bear, Brownie Points, Awesome Sauce. There's a bunch of cute names in here. Oh my goodness. Do you need another look at that? I am loving that. Sorry it's upside down, but look at those colors. So, so pretty by Violet Voss. Oh my goodness. It says hashtag Holy Grail. I would agree. Yes, I'm very, very happy with that. So that is everything that was inside of my boxyluxe BoxyCharm box. I definitely would suggest, if you are getting BoxyCharm for the $21 a month, go ahead every 3 months and add the BoxyLuxe for the additional $28. So it is the 2 fees, the 21 plus the 28, but only every 3 months. Normally you're just going to pay the $21 for your regular monthly box. because I think this was worth it. It definitely was worth it. All of these makeup products, oh my goodness. And this was like a Christmas present to myself for this month. I'm loving it. Yes. So that is it. I was so excited to get this box and open it for you guys. If you got the Boxy Luxe box, leave a comment down in the comment section and let me know if you are loving your box. Is this your first one? Because this is my first box. This is my first one. Let me know how many boxes you've gotten and do you love it, or if you don't have it yet, are you gonna get it? And that's it. So thank you for watching. I need to play in my makeup. No, I'm not today, because I got my face on. I'm actually on my way out the door, but I will be messing around with this tonight or tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.